Hey guys, some of you have requested me how to make euphoric lead using Viper from my Soundset. Okay, this is basically for them who have my Soundset. And first I show you how it sounds, and later I will show what presets I used. This is how it sounds. Okay, first of all, let's start with the lead itself. This is the game. What I did, I just transposed it one octave up. Nothing fancy in this side, just cutting out the nasty low end and little bit of the high boost. And don't forget, okay, there I didn't enable it. Usually I enable it. Automatic volume. Here there is so much nasty, pointless low end. They usually all the time cut out. Second lead, analog. This is from my volume 2 Soundset. Also I will drop this this FLP to the Soundset if you already have the bought from me, then you can just simply download. They are also not fancy, love good. Third lead. This is basically playing for the soft style. Some high end there I also didn't enable, strange. And what I did in the leads bass, little bit high boost. And my go-to preset for leads and chords is this hip hop puncher, and I didn't change anything. And for the last in the bass is OTT. Okay, now it's the chords. Start from the first energy chords. This is playing for the top end. And also simply kill little bit of the high boost, automatic enable it, and love cut. Simple. Second is for the character headhunters type lead. This is actually one of my favorite chord preset. And for the chords, body, huge chord layer. And same EQ and nothing fancy. Chord bass, as I said, hip hop puncher, OTT, and nothing else. You can copy settings, and this is just to sidechain it for the drop. And for the bass I use bass saver, and low cut. Basically below 20,000 don't need these muddy frequencies we anyway don't hear, and some high cut. And basic, this is it. Pretty easy, you don't need thousands of layers. And here you go, guys. Don't forget to check out my other stuff. I have huge, around 90% of the stuff on the story is on the sale. And comment, you can even drop just a emoji. And I read actually every single comment. And if you have some requests on tutorials or whatsoever, let me know. See you in next video.